Yo, 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 what's going on? Maurice Bay, Moorish American National. Here, just dropping some more information. Like I do, we're gonna cover a lot. Thank Allah, the Creator, the Father of the universe, the Father of love, peace, freedom, and justice. I thank Him for showing me the path and helping you the best way that I could. I'm gonna go over this document real quick, and we're gonna get you another one, so you can check out. For as a video, something totally different. This is the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. On December 10, 1948, the General Assembly of the United Nations adopted and proclaimed the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, the full text of which appears in the following pages. Following this historic act, the Assembly called upon all members, countries, to publicize the text of the Declaration and to cause it to be disseminated, displayed, read, and expounded principally in schools and other educational institutions without distinctions based on the political status of countries or territories. I want you to go and read this document. This is the preamble. This is a sacred document. You can stand on this document. These are your rights that's secured by these documents. You don't have to talk about your rights because they're already secured. Just go to this document and read about them and learn them, and these are your rights, and therefore you should know your rights. Alright, I'm going to go ahead on and turn the page up. You can get this document from any one of the Moorish brothers and sisters from the Moorish American Consulate, or any Moorish brothers and sisters that's doing the work right now educating you. Okay, I want you to go and read these articles. I'm gonna go through them so you can see. Okay, you can always pause the video, take your notes, pay attention to Article 15. So I got a little red marked up. Pay attention to Article 15 right here where it says everyone has a right to a nationality. No one should be arbitrarily deprived of his nationality nor denied the right to change his nationality. So this Article 15, pay attention to that. You have the right to a nationality, you have the right to change your nationality, and you would not be denied the right to change your nationality. I want you to go and read this. This is very important. I showed you throughout the Declaration of the Rights of a Child of 1959 also that the child has the right to a name and a nationality. Alright, you can go back to that document in my other video. Check it out. Let me go down so you can see. Alright. You can get all the articles here. So you can, if you want to write them down, if like I said, if you need a document, reach out to me and I'll get you a copy. Alright. You can always pause the video because I went down the whole page so you can see all the articles. There's 30 articles. Alright. These are your rights. Get this document. Every person in the world should have a copy of this document. Every person. Alright. And like I said, I want you guys to go and look up. I want you guys to go and look up the word nationality. Okay, it's very important to look that up. Look that word up in an unabridged dictionary, and I want you to look that word up. You can go on etymology.com. You can get your etymology book. I want you to break this word down. If you take it and break it down, you see the word nation. You understand what I'm saying? And ality. You know, be conscious of your nationality, alright? And everyone has that right. So, like, share, subscribe, comment, hit that bell, turn that bell notification on, hit it, whatever you got to do to get the upcoming videos. I'm not too much concerned about thumbnails and the way they look right now. My goal is to present you the information and give you the knowledge. So be interested in the knowledge, not the thumbnails and how things are dressed up. Because we're talking real facts here and we're not wasting our time with anything else. So go ahead on and check out the document. Love you all. Peace. My name is Maurice Bay, Moorish American National. Be doing a lot of work, upcoming work. I would like to do me some documentaries. I got a few movie scripts as well. So I may be doing a few movies, short movies as well, you know, and build it independent. So if you're a writer, if you know, an editor, or whatever you do, you know, and you got a background in production, pre-production, post-production, production, definitely reach out to me. And because like I said, I have a few scripts that I would like to continue on developing and reaching out and working with other people and teaching and educating as much as possible on, you know, with civics. And my movies will be, you know, they'll be kind of crazy because, like I said, I am into civics and politics and stuff like that as well. So, and like I said, I study rights, principles, and stuff like that. And I am a Moorish American national as well. So, that, not saying that I never had state ID, driver's license, social security number. I'm not saying that I never had that. No, we all, we had that if, you're born in the United States in the modern times. Most of the old people who may have been born later in those dates probably not have those documentations as far as connected, and and most people rescind that information back to Caesar. Give Caesar back to what is his, like I said, and break free from that. But in the end of the day, this is the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, and you should have a copy of this in your library or somewhere on your computer or somewhere in your possession as your property, because these are your rights. I'm teaching rights, you know what I mean? So anything else, I'm teaching people, about that, you know what I mean? And therefore, to get them motivated and continue to learn about, the history here. So I'm Maurice Bay. Like, share, subscribe, and I'm out.